country, I have bought the channel letter bending machine and laser welding machine from Yuantong Century Company. This machine is good quality and after sales service is professional and timely. This machine is very useful for my business, and if you want to buy machines, I suggest to contact with Yuantong Century Company. Thank you for everything, Yuantong, and keep up the good work.
Buenas tardes, soy de la empresa CI Publicitaria. Hace un mes adquirimos esta dobladora de canto CNC de la marca Yuantong, de excelente calidad, la cual ha sido de mucha utilidad para nuestro proceso en armado de letras en tercera dimensión. Cabe destacar que el servicio por tiempos oportunos, los técnicos siempre están muy atentos y con soluciones rápidas.
from Saudi Arabia. We buy this machine from Weicheng ED-Zone Weifang. This machine I can cut some orders about many materials, aluminum, steel. I cut this one. It's a very good machine. I can cut aluminum. I can cut steel. My jack is my picture. His name about this machine. This machine is very simple.
Hi everyone, this is Angeles from Colima, Mexico. I work for the company that creates clothes. We bought from Yuantong Century this leather bender machine. They have an excellent quality and we would like to recommend them. They have an excellent after-sales team. They solve all your doubts and we hope to buy another machine from them soon. Thank you and go to our site www.aloanuncios.com.
I'm one of the Yuantong customers, as you see on the picture, the video. I'm satisfied with this machine or not, and just I wanted to say thank you for Yuantong. They made it very strong build, like a lot of company out there. Most important things when you want to buy any kind of machine nowadays, it's really important you buy it from main manufacturer and secondly customer service of the manufacturer. I had got a really bad experience before to buy machine from abroad, but after a while I had research on the internet, I find this company. And it took me about 2-3 months, and I talked to Shirley. She promised me and she actually convinced me that their manufacturer is a real manufacturer and everything was true. And I recommend this to anybody who want to deal with it as well. I had got some problem with the computer actually, but straight away when I called them, actually I sent a text to them, they back to me and they tried their best to sort it out. That 3 times, 4 times they called me to find out what's the problem. I really pleased about that, because even on here on UK, if you get something from any company, get another machine from them, because I trust them, to be honest. Thank you very much.
I buy this machine from Yuantong Weifang. This is the first machine I installed in Pakistan. And this vector making is very correct. And we buy this machine and vector machine and there's a welder also. And we install it here and the work here is like we good and was very happy. Many customers from here and see, and they are very interested in